Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing stitch braid tutorial. I'm going to walk you guys through the process. If you're a beginner, you don't know how to start your stitch braid, you don't know what to do or how to make stitch braid, then I have this easy step by step method on how to do your stitch braid, make them come out look neat and fine for you in this video. This is really easy, it is simple, and this method I believe everybody can do. This particular method I'm about to show you guys in this video, so I'd like you guys to sit down, relax, and watch this video to the end. Now while you're watching this video, please do not forget to like, share, and leave your comment in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to this channel if you've not already subscribed, and turn on your bell notification to get notified each time we have a new video on the channel.
I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but the words just don't come out. If you ever feel lonely, girl, just know I'll come around. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. 'Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise. So pick up the pieces. So pick up the pieces. Baby, I'ma be there through the rough parts of it all. Holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want. Be the rock you lean on with you by my side. Baby, when we fall, together we'll rise. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. 'Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise. So pick up the pieces, 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 so pick up the pieces.
One of the major reasons why most people don't do this method of stitch braid is taking it down. Okay, like the takedown can be time consuming, but there's an easy way to do that. Okay, you can either meet your stylist to take it down for you, or you can beg somebody to like just help you and take it down, or you can take it down yourself. Okay, you can do that while watching a movie or listening to a podcast, just doing anything, and you're just taking it down yourself gradually. Okay, like it's not big deal, guys. Okay, just listen to your favorite podcast while you're taking it down, or watch your favorite show while you're taking it down, and in less than few hours you're done with it. Okay, but overall this method is very good. Okay, though you can say that it's time consuming because you have to braid each of the parts before you start braiding, but if you're a beginner, this is fine. Okay, like making hair is time consuming. Okay, there's no braid or no hairstyle that is that quick. Okay, though there are hairstyles that are under 30 minutes, it's like bridal hairstyles. Their hairstyles are like under an hour or under 2 hours, which I like doing if you not already know. Okay, I like easy hairstyles. Now, if you don't already know, please go back to my other videos. I have a lot of videos that are under 2 hours, under 1 hour that you can try, like both hairstyles that you can try and just watch and learn from them. Okay, I have a lot of curly crochet hairstyles that does not take time at all to do as well. Okay, but overall, making your hair can be time consuming. Okay, that's why you see most salons these days, they have a lot of stylists, making one person's hair. So it takes time to make hair. So guys, please try out this method and let me know in the comment section what your take on it is. Okay.
I'll be there when the lights don't shine. I'll be there in the sleepless nights. I'll be there, make you feel alright. I'll be there, I'll be there. I'll be there when the lights don't shine. I'll be there in the sleepless nights. I'll be there, make you feel alright. I'll be there, I'll be You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Being hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name. Calling out your name. Calling out your name. Calling out your name. Been in hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I told you it would be a slow burn. Beating high.
When she finished making the hair, I decided to like put coily human hair at the front just to give it like this extra look. You guys already know this style that it's kind of trending, so I decided to try it out. And we'll put two coily hair at the front, and we dip the hair in hot water, and that was it, guys. Okay, this hair came out looking so beautiful, guys. Okay, also I when I had to like wrap it at the back, and guys, this is gorgeous. Okay, this is so beautiful. I love this style. It is simple, it is easy, it is beginner friendly, and it is so beautiful on me, guys. Okay, let me know in the comment section what your take on this hair is, and please guys subscribe to this channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Calling out your name from the darkness, thinking